Hello, Paul here again from EMD Motorsport. We're just putting some foam there, that's all done. Make it look nice and neat. Because before there was no cover on this car here, so basically it was pretty bare when it comes here. I haven't done this one here because I'm just finished rebuilding the starter motor from scratch. And then we're going to actually have a look. So we got the starter motor in, but for some reason it's not starting from when I turn the key. So I just want to make sure the starter motor, so it's not starting when we turn the key from when I use the key. So now I'm going to actually make sure it's working. Pretty sure it's working. Everything's done properly, but at the same time I'm going to use my tool to activate the starter motor. So just bear with me. It's hard to actually see, but I'm going to put my tool in there to activate the starter motor. So now the starter motor rebuild I done is good, but the problem I've got no power coming from the ignition switch to the back here. So I've replaced the whole steering column, so that wire there should have power, this one here, and I've got no power there. So can you turn the key to start? Yep. Okay, now that's sorted. So now everything's sorted now, so start up. Off. Okay, now we're gonna, that's all started now, so now I have to worry about the interior of the vehicle. I have to tidy up the wiring as well, so all sorted now. So now that starter motor can start, so start up. Turn off. So turn off. All right, so move your hand. So now I'm going to put everything back together here, but the main thing was I had a problem with the starter. I thought I had a problem, but it's not, it's just a little wiring issue. So that's all sorted now, so fingers crossed, that's good. So now I've got to finish this, finish that, and then the main thing is the hard job is all done. Then I've got to tidy up the wiring harness underneath here, and then the customer can pick up the car.